we'll be there on the double. Marshall, Rubble, Chase, Rocky, Zuma, Sky, yeah, they're on the way. Paw Patrol, whenever you're in trouble.
Oh, we got a holiday mission, and we need super smart pups to help. Is that you? Let's roll out to Twinkle Star and make this the best adventure ever. Twinkle Star is ready for action. Are you ready to roll? Join the mission. Sign up now. From June 23rd to July 4th. Children aged 18 months to 7 years old. And yes, it's open to everyone. PAW Patrol, let's roll!